Good morning, students. In this chapter, I am going to explain about the certain web browsers for HTML. In the previous classes, we learned about the various aspects of the HTML. What is HTML? What are the different tags used in the HTML? That is the container tag, uh, empty tag. What is the difference between the container tag and the empty tag? What is the text editor? So all these things we have learned in the previous class. Today we will going to learn about the web browser for HTML. As we know that the web browser is basically application software which is used to display the web pages. Okay, so in a Windows we have a pre-installed web browser, that is the Internet Explorer or Edge in the recent version of the Windows. But apart from the Windows, we have certain other application programs, web browser application programs, that is the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Opera. All these are the popular web browser which is used to display the web pages. Okay, so we know that the web browsers have some features inside it, that we have a forward and backward buttons to navigate through the different pages. We have a favorite to store the favorite website web pages, and the address where we type the complete web address, that is the URL, uniform resource locator. It is at the top of the browser window where we type the complete address of the website, and that is the http://www.google.com. This is basically a complete URL of the Google. So here we also know that what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is basically a link which is used to connect the web pages to the another web pages. So so in the web pages we have almost there is a lots of hyperlinking concept are available, and from this we can click on the hyperlink and allows to move quickly from one page to the another page. Okay, so now comes to the what are the different steps for creating web pages. It is very important to know that what are the different steps for creating the web pages. So for creating the web pages, certain steps should be followed. First one is the plan your web page. So first of all, you should have to know which type of web pages you want to create. So you can choose the topic or a theme to decide about the type of information you want to share through the web pages. Okay, so firstly we have to plan your web pages. Now second, what you have planned, then according to that we have to be collect the information from the different resources. The information, it could be the text, images, diagram, numbers, etc., videos, audios, etc., as per your need. Okay, now the third step is to organize the information. This is very important because if we have collect the information, then we should also have to be decide which part of the web pages contains that portion, and which part of the web pages contains the text, and which part of the contains the audio and video. So this could be very important because क्योंकि इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो. ऑर्गेनाइज मतलब वो आप चीज़ों को कहाँ कहाँ किस हेडर पे कौन सा आप कंटेंट्स को हेडर पे रखना चाहते हो, कौन को फूटर पे रखना चाहते हो, कौन सा मेन पे रखना चाहते हो, कौन सा नेविगेशन पेन पे रखना चाहते हो. तो ऑल दिस थिंग्स शुड बी डिसाइड थ्रू दिस organizing of information. Now after organizing the information, the main thing is to start the coding in HTML. So start the coding, start the tags and attributes with the text and images and audio videos that is used in the HTML. Okay, now and after adding the text, we should if we have to add some certain images in our web pages, then we have to be select the images, and by using the tag and attributes we can add the images in the web pages. Add hyperlinks, it is also very important because it is used to navigate from the one pages to the another page. So hyperlink should be also done through the pages to navigation. Okay, so after all these things we have to be publish the web page. After finishing the creating of the page, the pages should be available on the website, on the web, so that the people can see the information that you have published. So these are the 7 steps through which we can create the image, create the web pages, First one is the plan your web page, gather information, organize information, enter text, add image, add hyperlinks, and publish. Finally, publish the web pages. I hope so you understand all these things. Thank you very much.